Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Owning a Mazda CX-90 means enjoying a perfect balance of luxury and performance. But to make the most out of your SUV, the right accessories are essential. From durable floor mats that keep your cabin spotless, to smart organizers that maximize space and protective gear that keeps your CX-90 looking brand new, accessories are the secret to hassle-free driving. Today, we'll walk you through the best accessories that make your Mazda CX-90 not only more functional, but also more enjoyable to drive every day. The good news is, you don't have to hunt these down. Every accessory featured here is available on Amazon. All the links are neatly listed in the description, so you can shop your favorites with ease. Let's start the video. Let's start with center console organizer for Mazda CX-90. One of the most overlooked areas in any SUV is the center console. It usually turns into a catch-all for keys, coins, receipts, and random clutter. For the Mazda CX-90, a custom-fit center console organizer changes everything. Instead of digging around while driving, you get neat compartments for your essentials, your phone, wallet, sunglasses, even charging cables. The dividers keep everything in place, so nothing slides around or disappears to the bottom. It's made from durable materials that match your interior, so it looks like it belongs there, not just an add-on. The next must-have on our list is floor mats for Mazda CX-90. Every drive brings in dust, mud, water, and crumbs, especially if you've got kids or love road trips. Custom floor mats are the simplest way to protect your Mazda CX-90 from the mess of everyday life. Unlike standard mats, these are designed to fit perfectly edge to edge, keeping dirt and spills from reaching your carpets. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof materials, they trap debris and are easy to rinse clean. They also stay locked in place, so no sliding around under your feet. The sleek design blends right in with your interior while keeping it fresh and new. With these mats, you can stop worrying about every muddy footprint or coffee spill and just enjoy the drive. Coming in next, we have trunk mat for Mazda CX-90. The trunk is where your SUV works the hardest. Groceries, suitcases, sports gear, even garden supplies all end up back there. A custom trunk mat gives that space the protection it deserves. Designed to fit the Mazda CX-90 perfectly, it shields your cargo area from scratches, spills, and stains. The waterproof surface makes cleanup a breeze, whether it's a tipped drink, wet shoes, or pet hair. Many mats also have raised edges to contain liquids, so nothing seeps into the carpet. And beyond protection, it adds a polished look that makes your trunk feel organized and ready for anything. With a trunk mat in place, you get durability, convenience, and peace of mind every time you load up. Next accessory in our list is rain guards for Mazda CX-90. Rainy days shouldn't mean stuffy rides. Rain guards let you crack your Mazda CX-90's windows without worrying about water dripping in. They're designed to fit seamlessly along the windows, allowing fresh air circulation while keeping out rain, wind, and even excess noise. Not only do they make the cabin more comfortable, but they also add a sleek, aerodynamic look to your SUV. On hot days, they help reduce heat buildup by letting air flow when the car is parked. A simple, affordable upgrade that makes a big difference in everyday comfort and style. Moving on, let's check out door sill protector for Mazda CX-90. Every time you step in or out of your Mazda CX-90, the door sills take a beating. Shoes, bags, and even kids' gear can leave behind scratches that dull the look of your SUV over time. Door sill protectors solve that problem instantly. They add a durable shield to those high contact areas while giving the entryway a premium, finished look. Easy to install and made to last, they prevent scuffs and wear before they start. It's a small upgrade, but one that protects your investment and keeps your CX-90 looking newer longer. Let's move forward with retractable trunk cover. For Mazda CX-90, a trunk full of groceries, shopping bags, or personal belongings can easily attract unwanted attention. That's why a retractable trunk cover is such a smart upgrade for your Mazda CX-90. Designed to fit perfectly, it slides out to shield everything in your cargo space, keeping valuables hidden from view. It also protects items from harmful sunlight, reducing fading or heat buildup. When you don't need it, the cover retracts smoothly and tucks away without taking up space. It gives your SUV a cleaner, more refined look while adding a sense of security and privacy. Next add-on in our list is rear bumper protector for Mazda CX-90. Every time you load or unload the trunk, your rear bumper is at risk of scratches and scuffs from bags, strollers, or luggage. Over time, these marks can really hurt your SUV's appearance. A rear bumper protector solves that instantly. Made to fit the Mazda CX-90's curves, it acts as a shield against daily wear and tear. It's durable, easy to install, and even adds a stylish accent to the rear of your SUV. Instead of worrying about damage, you can load and unload with confidence. It's a simple addition that pays off big in preserving your bumper's finish. Next accessory in our list is roof rack's crossbar for Mazda CX-90. For families and adventurers alike, roof rack crossbars unlock the full potential of the Mazda CX-90. They allow you to carry bikes, kayaks, skis, or even a rooftop cargo box, freeing up your cabin for comfort. Built sturdy and aerodynamic, they can handle heavy loads without creating extra noise or drag on the highway. Installation is straightforward, and once they're in place, your SUV is adventure ready. Whether it's a family vacation or a weekend camping trip, crossbars give you the flexibility to bring along everything you need without compromise. Next item in our list is a key fob cover for Mazda CX-90. Your key fob is something you use every single day, and it deserves protection just like the rest of your SUV. A key fob cover keeps it safe from scratches, drops, and everyday wear while adding a personal touch to its look. Made from durable, stylish materials, it fits snugly while keeping all buttons easy to use. With a range of colors and designs available, you can match it to your style or even help distinguish between different fobs in the household. It's a small, affordable accessory that extends the life of your fob while making it look better than ever. Next product in the list is a car interior foot pedal covers for Mazda CX-90. The pedals are one of the most used parts of your SUV, yet they're often overlooked when it comes to upgrades. Foot pedal covers designed for the Mazda CX-90 bring both function and flair. They enhance grip for safer driving, especially in wet conditions, while also adding a sporty performance-inspired look to your cabin. Made from durable anti-slip materials, they're built to handle daily wear and still look sharp. Easy to install and instantly noticeable, these pedal covers transform something ordinary into a stylish detail that elevates your entire driving experience. Next accessory in our list is Windshield Sunshade for Mazda CX-90. Few things are worse than stepping into a scorching hot car on a summer day. A windshield sunshade is the simplest way to keep your Mazda CX-90 cool and comfortable. Custom fit for your windshield, it blocks harmful UV rays that can damage your dashboard, steering wheel, and seats over time. It also helps lower cabin temperature, so you don't have to blast the AC right away. Easy to fold, store, and set up, it's a practical accessory you'll use daily. Not only does it protect your interior, but it also makes every drive start a little more refreshing. Our next featured accessory is screen protector for Mazda CX-90. Your infotainment screen is one of the most important features of your SUV, but it's also one of the easiest to scratch or smudge. A screen protector ensures it stays crystal clear and damage-free. Designed with a perfect fit for the Mazda CX-90, it resists fingerprints, scratches, and glare without affecting touch sensitivity. It's easy to apply and nearly invisible once installed, so you'll hardly notice it's there except when you realize how spotless your screen stays. A small, simple accessory that protects one of your SUV's most used tech features. Next item in our list is a dashboard cover mat for Mazda CX-90. The dashboard takes the brunt of sunlight and heat, which can lead to cracks, fading, and glare over time. A dashboard cover mat is an easy way to shield and preserve your Mazda CX-90's interior. Custom shaped for a snug fit, it softens glare on sunny days and keeps your dashboard cooler. It's also a stylish touch, available in different textures and colors to match your vibe. Beyond protection, it adds a neat, finished look to your cabin while extending the life of your dashboard. Next product in the list is a armrest cover for Mazda CX-90. The center armrest is a comfort feature you use every time you drive, but it's also vulnerable to scratches, stains, and wear. An armrest cover solves that problem. Made from durable, soft-touch material, it shields the surface from spills and daily friction while adding extra comfort. It fits snugly, stays in place, and can be easily removed for cleaning. A practical little upgrade that keeps your CX-90's interior looking fresh and feeling premium for years to come. Next accessory in our list is front bumper upper grille trim for Mazda CX-90. Your Mazda CX-90 already has a bold front design, but a bumper upper grille trim takes it up a notch. This accessory adds a sleek, polished accent that enhances the SUV's face without looking overdone. It blends seamlessly with the factory design while adding a touch of uniqueness. Plus, it offers extra protection against small chips and scratches in a high-contact area. If you want a quick, stylish upgrade that makes your vehicle stand out, this trim is a perfect choice. Our next featured accessory is trailer hitch for Mazda CX-90. Sometimes your adventures call for more than what fits inside the SUV. A trailer hitch gives your Mazda CX-90 the strength and versatility to tow with confidence. Whether it's a bike rack, small trailer, or extra cargo carrier, this hitch is built tough, rust-resistant, and reliable. Installation is straightforward, and once installed, it expands your SUV's capability instantly. For road trips, camping, or family adventures, it's the upgrade that turns your CX-90 into a true multi-purpose machine. Next product in the list is a leather seat covers for Mazda CX-90. Nothing elevates your interior quite like leather. Leather seat covers for the Mazda CX-90 not only protect your original upholstery, but also add a premium, luxurious feel to your cabin. They're soft, durable, and easy to clean, making them perfect for families or long commutes. Beyond protection, they upgrade your driving experience by adding comfort and sophistication. Available in different colors and designs, they let you personalize your SUV's look while keeping it practical. Next item in our list is a front and rear dash cam for Mazda CX-90. Safety on the road is priceless, and a front and rear webcam system gives you an extra layer of protection. These cameras record your drives in high definition, capturing every detail in case of accidents or unexpected events. They also help with parking and maneuvering, giving you better visibility in tight spots. Compact and discreet, they fit seamlessly into your SUV without clutter. Peace of mind, extra security, and added convenience all in one upgrade. Next accessory in our list is elastic trunk storage net. Loose groceries or rolling gear can quickly turn your trunk into a mess. An elastic storage net is the simple solution. Designed for the Mazda CX-90, it keeps smaller items secured in place while you drive. No more bottles tipping over or bags sliding around. Lightweight, easy to install, and flexible enough to handle different cargo, this net adds order and convenience to your SUV's trunk. A small accessory that makes a big difference in everyday organization. Next essential item is an adjustable car phone mount. Your phone is your navigation, music, and hands-free call hub, but fumbling with it while driving is dangerous. An adjustable car phone mount puts it right where you need it. Designed for the Mazda CX-90, it holds your phone securely in place, even on bumpy roads. With adjustable angles and a sturdy grip, you can keep your screen at eye level for safer driving. It's a practical gadget that blends convenience with safety, making every trip smoother. Next product in the list is a full car cover fits for Mazda CX-90. When your SUV is parked outdoors, it's exposed to dust, rain, sun, and even snow. A full car cover gives your Mazda CX-90 all-around protection. Tailored for a snug fit, it shields against the elements, keeps the paint looking fresh, and reduces cleaning time. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to put on and take off, making it practical for everyday use. Whether you're storing your SUV long-term or just keeping it clean between drives, a car cover is the ultimate shield. Next item in our list is a seat gap filler for Mazda CX-90. Everyone's dropped a phone, key, or coins into that annoying gap between the seat and center console. A seat gap filler ends that problem for good. Custom designed for the Mazda CX-90, it fits snugly to block the gap while blending seamlessly with your interior. It's simple, clever, and keeps small items within reach instead of lost under the seat. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next accessory in our list is car trunk organizer. A cluttered trunk can make it tough to find what you need. A trunk organizer gives your Mazda CX-90 instant order. With multiple compartments, it keeps groceries, emergency kits, sports gear, or tools neatly in place. Sturdy yet foldable, it can expand for larger loads or collapse flat when you don't need it. Instead of items rolling around, everything has its spot. A smart way to keep your SUV ready for anything, anytime. Next product in the list is a 8 pieces all-window sunshades. Keeping your Mazda CX-90 cool and comfortable just got easier with this 8-piece all-window sunshade set. Unlike a standard front sunshade, this kit covers every window front, rear, and even the side windows, so your entire cabin stays shielded from harsh sunlight and UV rays. The custom-fit design ensures maximum coverage, reducing heat buildup and protecting your seats, dashboard, and trim from fading over time. For families, it's a game-changer. Passengers in the back can finally enjoy shade during long drives, making road trips much more comfortable. Next item in our list is a multi-purpose card table. Turn your Mazda CX-90 into the ultimate travel companion with a multi-purpose card table designed for eating, writing, or working on the go. Whether you're on a family trip, waiting during a long drive, or simply need a quick break, this table gives you a sturdy, flat surface whenever you need it. Attach it easily to the steering wheel for solo use, or to the back of a seat for passengers. It's perfect for holding meals, snacks, laptops, tablets, or even paperwork. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use, so it won't clutter your interior. These were 25 different accessories you can add to your Mazda CX-90. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.